Alright, so next module we have in here is guides. So let's start with braid hair curves. And if I put it, you will see something happened. And what happened? It just created like a noise on top of the cube, right? And we can change the factor, the subdivision in between to create the hand-drawn look. We can do the braid start, the radius of the each braid curves, the shape of that curve, the frequency. We get additional option to tweak the shape parameters like min, max, thickness, shape, asymmetry, flare length, flare opening, all that stuff to modify it even more. And let's maybe add a, I don't know, maybe torus, right? And let's keep it aside and let's apply the scale and let's add a torus on top of the hair tie. So we get a very unique kind of look, right? And we can increase or decrease the scale. Really amazing in my opinion. We can change the guide distance, the guide mask, and we also get additional option on top of it to tweak. So let me just show you. Let me first remove this torus, and we get a float value, which is flare parameter, which represents a parameter in the 3D world. And we also get a strand index, which is a very unique value currently because it is converted into a cube, like a duplication hand-drawn cube. There is not much going on here, but when you will have like a very complex shape, it is going to change like this, right? So it completely depends on your shape, which is going to influence the index and flare parameter, right? So let's start with the next one in the hair guides, which is clump hair curves. The clump hair curves, as it says, it is going to create a clumpiness on top of the hair curves. And also we get a factor, the shape option, the spread, clump offset, distance fall off, distance threshold, the seed. We can preserve it. We can also add index or guide distance, guide mask, all that stuff. Really understandable node. There's nothing much going on here. Then we have create guide index map. And this is a very interesting node because there's not much going on here, but if I add this and if I can visualize the operation after this values, it is going to change the guide index. We can also see the guide selection, which is going to change the true and false values, right? And we can also add the guide curve, which is just going to represent something else. So this is more of a reader node rather than a rather than an operation. Then let's start with last node, which is curl hair curves, right? And if I tweak it, you will see it is exactly similar to my braid hair curve. So if I modify this, you will see this, and now if I do it with this, you will see something like that. So it is that. Then we have a subdivision, we have a curl start, we have a radius, factor start, factor end, frequency, random offset, a seed. And then we also have a guide map, which is a similar option. And then let's actually do animation of trim curves. So again, really handy tool. The more the complex geometry is, the more cool the animation will look, and we can modify it at any point of time, right? And that is basically guides. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.